from Miss Krusty herself. It's Kira, welcome back to my channel, and I miss you guys. How are you? What have you been up to? Today, everybody, I'm giving you my what I eat in a day video. Because honestly, it's kind of interesting, I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel like I really follow the rules when it comes to eating well nutritious diets and foods. I kind of just do what I want to do and eat what I crave. So I thought this would be an interesting video. I can just show you guys what my daily food intake looks like. This is real. People, everything I'm going to eat today is most likely what I would eat or what I do eat on a regular basis. It depends on what my pantry's looking like and what my pockets are looking like, pretty much. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna start with is, of course, breakfast. But you guys know I don't wake up until, what time is it? I actually did good today. It's 11:15. Usually I wake up around 12, but daylight savings has been messing me up. So yes, we're early. We're eating breakfast early today. This is great. I had to make a quick tripod. I just had to show you guys because this is real life, people. But anyways, like I said, my diet depends on what I have in my pantry and my fridge. So for breakfast, let's just figure out what we have in here because I don't know. Just as I thought, empty. See? This is freaking pitiful. I don't have any food. I just have like random stuff in here. Even the dang on water jug is empty. Really? Why is this even in here? Got a couple juices. Oh my God. Oh wow. I'm so sorry you had to see that. Yeah, so there's no real food to eat. Even though the fridge is empty, my pantry, I think I have a really loaded pantry. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm that house that has like all the junk foods and sugary foods. So when my friends come over, like they have a freaking ball in here. But none of this is nutritious. I don't know what this is. What's crazy is I'm actually really hungry right now. So, okay, for breakfast, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I kind of just eat whatever I see. Like, I don't ever try to have a real breakfast. That's probably because I never really eat a really big breakfast anyways. So I kind of just snack on stuff. Like, yes, I'm eating ice cream and I just woke up. It's fine. I cannot be the only person that just eats random stuff in the morning. I won't believe it. I won't. So we have some Doritos, some oatmeal, and ice cream. Good morning. What's funny is I had this yesterday morning too. Lately, I've been like eating ice cream every morning. Listen, I hope you guys aren't judging me. Don't judge me. I am an adult. I can eat what I want. This is ridiculous. It's good though. And here is my oatmeal. I think I added too much water, but it's fine. Maybe it's not fine. Well, okay, it's fine, it's fine. And this is my sad breakfast. Sometimes I wish I still lived at home with my parents because no adult should be eating like this. It's just not right. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast, get ready, and this is gonna be such an interesting video. I'm so sorry in advance that you have to see this. But it's fine, you guys still love me, right? Okay guys, I am dressed and I wanted to just give you a quick outfit of the day because I actually really like my outfit today. I don't know what she's giving you. Comment down below what my outfit is giving you today because she's really cute. I have the shades with this corset top, some light wash denim jeans, and this belt. It's actually backwards right now. It's That's the side that's supposed to be over here. And my Doc Martens. Oh my gosh, for the fall, I have been loving my Doc Martens. And I also have these purse. Yes, that's my look for today. The tennis bracelet is fake because you guys know we're cheap. So I'm freaking hungry. So that little breakfast that I had did not hold me. So we're gonna go grab some food and I'm gonna start my day. Okay guys, so we're still doing breakfast, okay? I'm still hungry and this is not gonna be a real meal. So, okay, we're on the same page. This is something that I've been doing every day and basically I leave my house to work because I realize when I go in my house and work, nothing gets done. So I'm just headed to one of my favorite boba tea shops because you guys know boba tea is like my thing. And yeah, I'm gonna get some boba tea, get some cute little snacks, and do some work. So let's go. Can I get the mango? The mango is fine with tapioca.
Yeah. What size?
I do a regular.
And full sweet okay for you?
No. Can we do like 75?
Yes, ma'am. Anything else?
Yes. Can I get I'll do the red velvet and the unicorn. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so I got my boba tea and I got some macarons because I'm obsessed. This is so good. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. I'm about to get some work done and drink my drink. And yeah, I think this was a very good breakfast. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so we are done working, I guess. And I'm really hungry. Actually, when I was watching these videos, I realized that maybe I'm doing it wrong. Everybody that I saw was showing what they eat in a day as a vegetarian, what they eat in a day as a vegan, what they eat in a day workout or dieting. And I ate ice cream this morning. I don't think that I'm doing this video right, but it's okay. This is real life, people. Everybody is not eating right, AKA me. And it's, you know, somebody has to show the nitty gritty. Somebody has to show the junk food. So I guess it's gonna be me. Yeah, I'm definitely not working out. I definitely don't have a diet. Not a vegan, definitely not a vegetarian. So I hope that you click this video to be entertained and not to be educated, because you're not gonna find it here. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, everybody does not have time to make these amazing looking meals. Like, we don't have the groceries, nor do we have the patience, and some of us just can't cook. So somebody gotta eat the junk food, right? Somebody has to eat Doritos for breakfast. I know I'm not the only one. You guys can act like you don't do it too, but I know. I'm not judging you though, okay? We in the same boat. So for lunch, I'm gonna get something that I have been craving, and it's burgers. I just want a really just juicy burger right now with some French fries, and I'm gonna go get it. Like, what am I eating today? Unhealthy. That's what this is. So I'm gonna get a burger, and I'm going to enjoy my burger. And you know, you guys can come with me. I guess I'll show you my secret spot that I haven't told nobody about yet, but this is like my favorite burger spot, and I'm so freaking excited. So let's go get our burger. Okay guys, so we're here. Let me show you my secret spot, okay? I haven't told nobody about this, so don't go blabbing off to the world. Did somebody just call my name? I don't know, but here it is. Y'all, I don't know if you can hear me in here because it's really loud, but okay, people are staring. Like I was saying, I don't know if you can hear me in here, but I just got my meal for free. What? Like, I asked the lady, I said, do you guys take military discount? And she said, yeah, are you in the military? I said, no, my dad is. And she said, well, it's Veterans Day, girl. It's free. Okay, I'm happy. That just made my whole day. Okay, so we just got a free meal. Love that. We're here for it. And this old man, I wish I could show you him in the mirror. Okay, that's kind of creepy, but he's like staring me down right now. It's fine. It's fine, you know. Just sitting here by myself, gonna enjoy my food while he stares at me with my free meal. Great. So it was way too loud inside to actually hear me. So I came outside and I got my food. Let me show you guys what I got. Here is my food. Oh my goodness. Say this doesn't look amazing. I'm about to tear this food up. Jesus. And I have a sweet tea right here mixed with lemonade because I'm extra. And yes, listen, I know this is not the right way to do a what I eat in a day, but come on. Do you see this glory? Okay, let me chill out. I just really like to eat burgers, so I'm about to smash this burger. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Side note, eating by yourself is so therapeutic. I think everybody should do it at least once a week. Just take yourself out on a date. I mean, I do it like every day, but I don't have another option. So yeah, take yourself out to eat every now and then. It's good. It's so good. First off, it just got hot. Gotta put the AC on. I'm burning. Okay, let me turn it down. Like I was saying, it's really hot outside. Like the sun is, well, my highlight looks good. Okay. I kind of like it. We had breakfast, then we had lunch. For dinner, I'm gonna do something very special for you guys, okay? Well, kind of special. I'm gonna cook. You know, are you excited? Is anybody excited? You should be. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm cooking today. I've been cooking a lot lately. No, not really, but I've been trying to cook a lot lately. So tonight I'm gonna actually make something, and we need to go to the grocery store to get it because obviously I don't have it at my house. So I'm going to go to the grocery store and I'm gonna chill for a bit, and then I'll see you guys for dinner. Okay, before we go to the grocery store, I actually have to go back to the thrift store because I made a video yesterday. I don't know if you guys really care about this kind of stuff, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. So, bloopers backstage of being a not influencer, what am I saying? A YouTuber. If you forget to take a thumbnail, you gotta come back another day. So I kind of put on the same outfit. I just threw on the hat and the denim jacket so I can go in here and take the thumbnail. Listen, this is dedication, guys. Y'all better watch this video because I work hard. No, I'm just kidding. But I do need to come take this thumbnail. So let's do this really quickly. Okay, let's do this without being awkward. Are staring. Okay, now that I'm at this store and I got my thumbnail, I can take my disguise off. And note to self, if you're gonna wear a corset, make sure you're not gonna eat for the entire day because literally, y'all, I can't breathe. Like, my pants are officially unbuttoned and I'm still not comfortable. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and I'm going home and ripping this off until I'm unbloated, because this is a hot mess. I can't. Like, what was I thinking? Guys, we are home and I'm hungry. So I told you guys I was gonna cook, so we're cooking. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm gonna cook because I know you're like, Kera, we don't have time for you to be burning up the kitchen. That's a hot mess. And you're right. So we're gonna keep it simple tonight. Don't mind how I just threw the whole bag in the refrigerator. Don't worry about that. But we are making, hold on, that was a horrible drum roll, but bam, Mexican style. Okay, you're almost there. Let me give you another hint. Guacamole. Okay, and the very last, I mean, it's tacos. I'm pretty sure we know by now, but I'm putting a switch on it and I'm doing vegan tacos. I'm gonna try to balance out the unhealthiness that I ate today with some vegan food. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I do want to try to eat more like vegan and vegetarian options. So I said, why not try a meal that I love so much in vegan form? Sorta, because I'm still eating cheese and stuff. One step at a time, people. So I'm just gonna add, what the heck? Okay, that's fine. I'm trying to figure out if I should season this or not. Low key, I could eat this because I'm not gonna get sick. Let's see. Wow, that's interesting. It almost tastes like nothing in my mouth. I'm gonna season this. Okay, so I attempted to season this. Now we need to cook it because that tasted like nothing. I don't smell nothing. Oh God. But look at me attempting to chef it up. Ugh. Your girl is a cook now. This is what my tacos are looking like. Oh Lord, am I burning it? She's sticking to the pan. Oh God, it's burning. Jesus. Ta-da! here is the finished product, everybody. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really freaking good. I actually burnt the bottom of the pan, as you can see. Add oil, people, because yeah, this is what happened. But here are my tacos, and I'm really excited to eat these. Like, these look good. All right, now it is time. What are you doing?
They can't hear that?
It is time for the taste test, and I'm really excited. I think these are gonna be good. My biggest thing is I hope that I seasoned it right, like I can actually taste something, because at first it tasted like air. So let's try this. I still taste nothing. I didn't season it right. It literally tastes like everything except for the meat. I mean, it's not bad. Like, it don't taste horrible. It just don't taste seasoned. I was really excited about this. Well, guys, this was a fail, but I guess I'm done with my food video today. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is pretty much what I eat every day, if not every other day, and I'll probably eat it again tomorrow, minus the air tacos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, you know, give me a like and subscribe, because come on, you're already here and you done made it this far, so just click it. It's right there. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, and I think that's it. I'm going to enjoy my air tacos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.